How to withdraw USDT ERC20 from Trust Wallet. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and today's video I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw USDC ERC20 from Trust Wallet. To do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Next thing you want to do is open up your Trust Wallet application. When you open up your Trust Wallet application and then log into your account, this way you could see the interface. After you do that, here you want to type in the asset that you want to withdraw. So it's USDT ERC20. So go ahead and find out that. When you locate USDT ERC20, then you want to go ahead and click on it. Unfortunately, I think I do not have this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up any of these and click the send button. Once you do it, so here you want to go ahead and paste in the domain or the address, and then you want to go ahead and enter the exact amount, follow the prompt, and then you'll have successfully withdraw USDT ERC20 from Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.